Go, Jaden. Be clever. Find that lead. Keep him offset him all the time. Flow it. Flat whip up. That's it. Drop the body in after, Jaden. Find that body shot after, then. Keep your shape all the time. Keep that shape. Stab. Feint the stab as well. 1, 2, 1. Good shots. Good work. Good work. Lovely work, Jaden. Find that offbeat all the time. Offbeat him all the time. Good work. That's it. Find that whip again, mate. Don't like them body shots. Good work. Lovely. 1, 2, 1 now. 1, 2, 1. Fast hands. Find that offbeat. Where is it? Stiff it straight through. Side to side. Don't get pinned. Don't get pinned. It's too big. Check, 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 check right. I do. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds, Jaden. Up, check. Good shot. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's time anyway, yeah? Time.